So I'm in my car right now. I'm just at a parking lot, and I'm just testing out the Insta360 power selfie stick. I really like this stick. Now, the only thing I don't like about it is it's huge. If you want to use it to beat somebody, it's a perfect stick for it. It is heavy. It is big. It's designed for the X3, the Insta-RS1 cameras, and I know it does work with my Insta-RS1 4K with the 360 lens. And it does actually work with the Ace Pro. So the reason why it works is because it actually plugs in. There's a USB port on both sides. You'll see on here, and then you'll see on this side as well. And it just plugs in. You open the camera, and it plugs into the USB port of the camera. And the nice thing about this is it does the whole barrel thing. There's an actual battery inside this, and you'll see that the light indicators are on here. You can recharge it via the side port right here. And I don't know what the size of the battery is. I'll have to check the specs on it. But it's nice that, you know, if you're using this with a camera and you're vlogging a lot, this is a great option because it'll keep your camera charged. You're not going to run out of battery. So you'll see that my camera light is on. It's on charging mode. Now, the nice thing about this is because it's also plugged in that it has a top screw on here. So it comes with that mount. Okay. So you have a couple options here on the handle. So it's basically a remote control. So if I want to turn it on, I just have to hit the power button and it will actually turn my camera on. So if you have this extended quite far, then you can actually turn on with the handle itself, right? And then you have basically so that's the power button to show you the battery. And then if you want to record, just hit the record button. It's pretty straightforward. It's basically like those remotes, the wireless remotes. So I can record with it, and I can shut it off, and shut off the recording, and I can also turn off the camera by just holding it down. It'll shut down the camera itself. Okay, so pretty straightforward. It does extend pretty far. Let me just put I'm just filming with my phone here, so let me just put my phone down. I'm gonna extend it out. So you'll see this is how long this is. Basically, I would say this is probably about 3 feet extended. 3 feet extended out. So it's actually pretty neat. Again, it's a nice stick. It's a powered stick. So if you need something that you need consistent power to your camera, this would be a good option. It does have the controls on the handle, so you don't have to, you know, bring it down or if it extended and then turn the camera on and off to record. It can actually do it right at the handle itself. I like it. I think it's got some really good vlogging uses for this, just because of the power itself. Anyways, that's it for that, guys. If you have any questions, drop me a line down the bottom of the description. Hey, Mr. MiyagiStyle. Hey, guys. Quick one today. No, really, quick one. There's going to be 2 segments. It'll be this one, me talking quickly about this power selfie stick by Insta360. And the other segment will be just me showing you how you use it. Unfortunately, the weather was really crappy today, so I was in my car using the sticks. So thanks Insta360 for sending me this. I had actually requested to test this thing out because I'm a big selfie stick guy. So this is the selfie stick right here, and I'm gonna just go over quickly what I love and what I don't like about this selfie stick. Right off the bat, you get the box, you get the selfie stick itself, you get the cable, and then you get the actual just the mount here. It doesn't come with the quick mount. This is mine right here. So it does come with this. So you just basically screw it on here. Actually, there's a screw here so you can just thread it in a little bit. So you can just screw it in and then just tighten it up so you get it straight, right, with the selfie stick. What I love about this one is it is a powered selfie stick. There is a battery inside this, internally, inside the selfie stick. So, yes, it's going to be heavy because you are holding a battery in this one. I'm not sure what the battery size is on here. I didn't really get it. It is a 4,500 milliamp battery inside here. And the nice thing about this is that if you're a huge vlogger or you're constantly vlogging with or doing selfies, this is probably the stick for you just because it has that battery built in. So you're not, if you do deplete the battery on your device, you'll have this to charge it while you're using it. So you're really not using the power. It'll last you for a while, 4,500 milliamp on this one. So you get the battery indicator, which is 3 dots here. And then you get the power, and then you get the recording button. It is connected, it's not wireless. Okay, you do have to connect this. It does come with a short USB-C cable that connects from this to your camera. Now, I'm not sure if this will work with the GoPros. I haven't tested. Actually, I should test it out with my Ace and see if it does. Actually, let me just check it out right here. I'll do it right now. I don't think it's going to work with this, but hey, you never know. Let's try it. Let's see if it turns on. Huh, it does charge it, so it's a USB charger. I'd be very surprised if it turns on. No, it does not. Okay, no big deal. Let's see if I turn it on, will it actually record? So this is on right now. No, I don't think. I think this is for Insta360 products only. No, it won't record either. It does charge, it won't record. Anyways, it only works with Insta360, I believe, products only. So I'm just going to plug this. So I know it doesn't work with the Action 2. I doubt it'll work with the Action 4, but I'll try it anyways, just for the sake of it. Anyways, it comes with cable. It comes with 2 ports on here, so you can, if your power's on the left or you turn on right, you can do it on both sides, right? Now there is a side button, USB-C, that's for charging the battery inside here. Okay. Let's say if I'm using my Ace Pro, it just connects on here. I remove the battery door, connect this on here, and you'll see that automatically starts charging the. Oh, it's already charged up. We'll charge the Ace Pro. Let me just try the other one here. Okay, let me just charge this one. Yeah, this one's probably not charged up. All right, let me just try this one. Yeah, see, it's charging right now. So this one needs to be charged. The neat thing about this is that you'll see the charging on here. And this one does start the Ace Pro up by pressing the power button on here. It does start the Ace Pro up. I don't have the X3, so this is specifically for the X3, the Ace Pro, and also the RS1, which I have here with the 4K and Neo 360 lens. Now, there is something that doesn't work with this one for some weird reason, which is really weird. I'll show you in a second. So it does work. To record, I just have to press this. It goes into recording mode. Okay. And I can turn it off. And if I do power, just to press it once quickly, it cycles through the quick, basically it imitates the side button here. I press it, you can see it back here. So I can just switch it over to C1, C3. So these are the preset modes. Okay, this allows me to set the preset modes. And then I can just hit record again. And then I can shut it off by just keeping that button down, and it will shut off the camera. Okay. Does work perfectly fine with the Ace Pro. I believe it works fine with the X3. Here's my problem here with the RS1. Well, I don't know why this doesn't work. The RS1, I'm just going to plug it in here so I won't mount it. Okay, it does charge. The only thing is it does not come on when you press the power button, which is really strange because it does work with the Ace Pro. When you press the power button, it turns it on. So if you have this extended, you still have to kind of get to this to turn it on. But once you have it on, right? Once you have this on, everything else works fine. I can cycle through the videos with the power button just by quick pressing it. And I can hit the record button and it will record. All right, so it's recording now. I can hit the record button and it shuts it off. Now, this is really interesting. I can't power it on with this power selfie stick for the RS1, but I can power it off by hitting by keeping the power button down, and it'll shut it off. But I can't power it on using that same power button. So for some weird reason, it doesn't wake when I hit the power button. Only when it's on already. So you do have to turn this on before you extend this, if you do extend it, right? That's that. Other than that, pretty straightforward. There's really nothing to this. Those are the things I like. I love the mounting system up here. I love that it's extendable. It's about 3-foot extension. Okay, fully extended. I love that it's also battery powered. What I don't like about this is I don't like the cable. Okay, you know what? It'd be nice if they just make it Bluetooth or wireless, because the Ace Pro does have the Bluetooth capabilities. They should have made this Bluetooth, or have both options. Have one that's Bluetooth capable as well as cable. That would be nice. It's just, I'm not a big fan of cables sticking out here and there and connecting it and that kind of thing. Because if you get just caught on something, it's going to rip right out, right? It is a big stick. It's a heavy, heavy stick. Like, this is the mounty mount. Let's put this back. So this is the mounty mount, and this is the power selfie stick. And you can tell how much bigger it is between the two. And I have several sticks. I have six that are this small, this thick. So it is big, but it does have the battery inside. Okay. I would have loved to see them have a 1/4 inch threading underneath here. They don't. Just for a tripod stand, because they do even sell the tripod stands that screw in 1/4 inch. I'm not sure why they didn't put a 1/4 inch screw on here, just to give it so you can stand it up. You know what I mean, like on the floor or what have you. That's one thing they should have done. Was just, you know, what does it take just to put in a 1/4 inch thread female end on here? It's not a big deal, right? Anyways, that's it for this. Any questions, drop me a line. Not a bad stick. It's about 80 bucks, I think, Canadian for this thing. If you're a vlogger, a serious vlogger, this would be a good stick alternative because it does have that battery built right into it. And it does have the full control on the handle here for the Ace Pro and the X3 and also the RS1, just other than you can't turn it on with the RS1. That's the only difference. Talk to you soon. Anyways, have a good one. Respect. Ciao.